What up guys, Miguel here of Yugatech, and MWC 2019 in Shanghai just happened. Vivo in attendance debuted some really cool stuff, so sit back and relax as I lay them out for you. 5G is one of the biggest topics nowadays, as it will drive the next generation of mobile technology. Vivo demonstrated their own 5G-based technologies that we're likely to see in their upcoming products. First, we have Vivo AR Glass. Augmented reality technology has been around for a while now, but with 5G, it will have a bigger potential for consumer use. Connected to a 5G-enabled smartphone, the AR Glass can provide the users with applications like facial recognition and object recognition. For a person, it could be the name or social media details, like we've seen in some movies and shows, which to be honest is kinda creepy, kinda cool, I don't know, future. And for a product, it could be its specifications, features, and price tag. It can also provide a new online shopping experience, which is pretty dope. With the help of a 5G network's high bandwidth, speed, and low latency, AR can be used for gaming, 4K or 8K content consumption, or online communication like virtual office conferences, so that's really dope too. Next up is Vivo 5G Cloud Gaming. A lot of people nowadays say that the future of gaming is in the cloud. With the help of 5G, gamers can simply use their mobile devices to stream and play graphic-intensive titles that are normally played on PCs or consoles. This can also lower the player's expenses, as he or she won't need to spend so much on gaming devices. Just get a 5G-enabled smartphone and use your remaining budget to purchase subscriptions to video game streaming services. Third, we have 5G screen mirroring and 5G Easy Share. It's basically an extremely fast file transfer application that connects to a computer and a Vivo smartphone using the cloud and 5G network. It's so fast and easy to use that you can just drag and drop the files and access it in mere seconds. Next is 5G screen mirroring that allows Vivo smartphones to share their screen displays to other devices. Although screen mirroring isn't relatively new, do note that this is done using mobile data on 5G networks, so that's impressive. Lastly, we have IQO 5G. It's the company's first commercial 5G smartphone, which is expected to be released on the third quarter of this year. It sports a Snapdragon 855 chipset with a Snapdragon X50 modem. The Vivo AR Glass that we mentioned earlier is designed to work with this IQO 5G. Vivo showed us the theoretical speeds of the 5G network on this device, and it showed download speeds of almost 960 megabits per second and upload speeds of almost 40 megabits per second. Now, that might have been the last topic of discussion for 5G, but 5G wasn't the only thing that Vivo showcased, as they also demonstrated their new 120 watt super flash charge technology. It uses a highly customized Type-C data cable and a travel charger that can provide a crazy 120 watt power charge. Using a smartphone with a 4000 mAh battery, we saw with our own eyes the battery replenishing at a rate of 1% around every 6 seconds. It was able to reach 50% charge in just 5 minutes, while 100% took 13 minutes, which is bonkers. And that sums up the new technologies that Vivo demonstrated at MWC 2019 in Shanghai. We're looking forward to seeing these technologies in future devices along with the 5G network. So yeah, what did you guys think of Vivo's 5G technology and new 120 watt super flash charge technology? Let us know in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell icon so you get notified for future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Miguel, and I'll see you in the next one.